One.
Ciao everyone, it gives me great pleasure, and I have to say I'm genuinely excited to let you all know that we have Mr. Michael Keenan back in San Diego. This was a little bit of a surprise visit here to us at Solare, meaning right now today. But during this visit we have decided on a great wine dinner, and that's the one that we're telling you about right now. So you should join this for sure. I'm holding one of Michael's favorites. It's the Keenan Spring Mountain Merlot. Some of the best Merlot you're ever going to have, one of Michael's favorites. And Michael, what do you have in your hands?
I've got a bottle of our Capstone from the 2020 vintage, a one-off wine that I think kind of summarizes the success we had in 2020. I consider it my crowning achievement.
So Michael is a huge friend of Solare's. During the middle of the pandemic, it's September 2020. We don't know what's going on. Life is grim. We did a really great Zoom wine dinner with him and his wife. That's when they produced, or they conceived of the idea of Capstone. And that's going to be included in our wine dinner if you join us. So anyways, look at all the details that are in the email. Join Michael and I and Tommy. We just had a great wine tasting in the middle of the afternoon. It's a glorious thing. And anyways, you have to come and visit us. Come see Michael. We're going to have a lot of fun. Wine dinners at Solare. Thank you.
Cheers.